In this video, we will walk through the different search types available in Super Filter. It supports Wildcard Search, Operator-Based Search, and Focused Text Filter. Let's get started. First, we start with Wildcard Search. It allows users to perform advanced searches using various text and number patterns, providing precise and flexible filtering. In the Format pane, Toolbar, Search bar, we have the Case Sensitivity toggle, which allows users to search while considering letter casing. For example, if we want to find resellers whose names end with store, we can type *store in the search bar. The filter then displays resellers whose names end with store. The search bar also includes a Select All option, enabling users to select all available search categories for comprehensive filtering. Users can simply hover over the info icon to view instructions on how to use the wildcard search. Now, let's explore operator-based search. It allows users to search based on measure value ranges using numeric operators. This makes it easy to filter items based on specific conditions. Here, we have the Measure Search toggle, which enables operator-based searches. For example, if we want to find resellers whose sales are greater than 500,000, we can enter greater than 500K in the search bar. The filter then displays only the resellers that meet this criterion. Lastly, we'll explore the Focused Text Filter. It allows users to apply filters dynamically as they type search terms. It can also function independently as a standalone search filter visual. Note that the Focused Text Filter works only within the Facet filter. To enable it, go to the Format pane and turn on Facet Filter. Then, click on the Focused Text Search icon in the search bar. Once activated, entering a term like bike in the search bar will instantly filter the report to show only those resellers that have bike in their name. Besides the 3 search types covered in this video, Super Filter also offers powerful mass filtering capabilities. These are the various search types that the Inforiver Super Filter supports, enhancing flexibility and precision in filtering data. Download Inforiver Super Filter from Microsoft App Store to experience this magic. For more information, refer to the documentation provided in the description.